The fleet management solution from Planet Technologies is built on the Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011 platform and allows you to easily manage and track your agency's motor vehicles and associated maintenance, mileage, and fuel usage. The Dynamics CRM 2011 platform provides a familiar and consistent interface across all areas of the system. The fleet management solution also leverages the CRM Mobile Express functionality, allowing users to access the system and manage vehicles from a smartphone while in the field. Security roles can be applied to users or groups of users to limit access to portions of the system based on your business requirements. For this demo, we will assume the role of the fleet administrator, whose security role allows access to all areas of the system. Microsoft Dynamics CRM 2011 allows you to create custom dashboards based on user roles within your organization. This is the Fleet Overview dashboard, which provides a fleet administrator a summary of all of the vehicles within the system, including rich visual representations using charts and graphs. Charts and graphs also offer drill-down capability. Here we can see that there are several vehicles currently assigned to stock inventory. For this example, a driver has requested a minivan. By clicking on that portion of the chart, we can see the breakdown of body types by SUV, sedan, and minivan. We can see that there are minivans currently in stock for assignment to a driver. I can quickly return to the default chart by clicking the Home button. The core of the fleet management system is the vehicle. For this example, we will play the part of the fleet administrator who is adding a newly procured vehicle to the system. I'm going to click on Vehicles from the left navigation area and then click New to add a new vehicle. On the new vehicle form, I can enter information such as the VIN, make and model, year, body, number of doors, current mileage, engine and drivetrain information, color and interior trim, fuel and efficiency information, and tire information. I can also check off all of the features that this vehicle is equipped with. There is an area for comments and mileage and fuel usage, which we'll cover later in the demo. There's an administration area where I can track vital information such as the dealership where it was purchased, the plate number, registration and inspection dates, as well as procurement, warranty and maintenance information. At the bottom there is a notes and attachment area where I can attach digital files to the vehicle record, such as the owner's manual in PDF format. I'm going to save and close this new vehicle record now. The new vehicle I just created shows up in this view. Because of my security role in the fleet system, I can immediately assign the vehicle to a driver by clicking Assign and choosing the driver's name. The most commonly tracked element in regards to a vehicle is mileage. In this example, we will assume the role of a driver who has just stopped at the gas station to fill up the tank. By taking advantage of the built-in CRM Mobile Express functionality, this information can be added to the fleet management system from a smartphone before even leaving the gas station. From my vehicle, I'm going to click Mileage and Fuel Usage along the left navigation area. This shows all of the mileage entries associated with this vehicle. I'll click Add New, and now I can enter information associated with this fill-up. Fueling station, date, odometer, quantity and cost per gallon can be entered. The total cost is automatically calculated for me. I can also select if the tank was filled and enter comments. I can even select who filled the vehicle, but it was always default to my user account. At the bottom there is a notes and attachment area where I can scan and attach a copy of the receipts. I'm going to save and close this new mileage record. Similarly to mileage and fuel usage, the fleet management system allows you to track vehicle maintenance, including the service station where the work was performed. By capturing the service station, you have the ability to generate reports and form letters, such as mail merge documents based on specific filter criteria. In this example, we'll continue working with the same vehicle, which is now due for an oil and filter change. I'm going to click Vehicle Maintenance along the left navigation area, which shows a list of all the maintenance entries associated with this vehicle. I'll click Add New, and now I can enter the information associated with this service record. I'll enter a service description. Notice that because we're creating this new service record on our vehicle, the vehicle name is already filled in for us. I'll select the location where the service was performed, enter the date and the total cost. I can also log the mileage in and mileage out, along with comments regarding this service record. At the bottom there is a Notes and Attachments area where I can scan and attach a copy of the receipt. The receipt has been uploaded and attached to this record. To view the receipt, simply right-click on the link and choose Open. This is a quick and efficient way to track specific information about the vehicle maintenance record while ensuring the original documentation is easily accessible. I'm going to save and close this new maintenance record now. The Fleet Administrator can perform additional functions in the system due to their elevated privileges. Vehicle makes and models, dealerships and service centres and associated contacts are just some of the areas that the Fleet Administrator can maintain. Once a vehicle make or vehicle manufacturer is set up in the system, the make never needs to be added again. The manufacturer may announce new models, so the Fleet Administrator would simply create a new model that is associated with the make. This association allows the model to be filtered based on the make that is chosen when adding a new vehicle to the fleet management system. Let's click on Dealerships from the left navigation area. Here we can add new dealerships and service stations or modify existing ones. I want to look at the Cumberland Mountain Dodge dealership. I'll click on the record to open it. Here we can see the information about this dealership, including the point of contact and whether they offer sales, service, or both. I can also see the address, phone, fax, email address, and website information. Along the left navigation area, I have links for all of the vehicles purchased at this location, all the vehicles that had maintenance performed at this location, and all the contacts associated with this location. I want to see all the vehicles that we've purchased from this location, so I'll click on the Purchased Vehicles link. Here's a list of the vehicles that were purchased from the dealership. Now let's take a look at all the vehicles that have been serviced at this location. I can see that this vehicle had its 25,000 mile service performed at this location. I'll click on the service record to open it. Here we can see all of the details for this service record. This is the same vehicle maintenance form we saw earlier in the demo, but for a different vehicle. Vehicles could eventually be decommissioned due to age or catastrophic loss. Fleet administrators can deactivate a vehicle while still retaining all prior associations for historic purposes. I'll select the vehicle to be decommissioned and click Deactivate. You can also run reports within the fleet management system. Reports can be emailed, printed, or saved to popular file formats such as XML, CSV, PDF, Excel, or Word.